Hi, third graders. Welcome back for another Friday of remote learning. Today, remember, is a catch-up day, but before you start catching up on your work, you have to answer a few questions. So let's get to it. So Ms. Flores' homeroom, you'll find today's announcements, which basically says to go to Classroom and find your daily work tab with Friday's work. But before I go there, I want to show you guys the link. So when I tell you guys that my office hours are from 2 to 3 and just come back at that time and you'll see this link. So this link will come up at around 2. When you see it, you come and you click and you will be directed to this page. Make sure that your camera is on and that your microphone is on. Right now I have my camera off, but this should not be red. And then when you're ready, you go join now, okay? And then I will be waiting for you on the other side, ready to help you. So make sure that if you need help or you want to see if all your assignments are turned in or if all your CERN lessons are that you met your CERN lesson goal, which is 4, then you can come in and talk to me at that time, okay? Then you'll go to classwork, find the daily work tab, Friday's work. You'll click on the Google form. And here again, I put my office hours from 2 to 3. Click on the link at that time. Announcements, these are Friday's announcements. Here is your specials for today, which is music. You'll click on the link. You have to do 1 CERN lesson if you haven't already. Remember, you have to do 4 CERN lessons total. So if you've done those already, then you don't need to worry about a CERN lesson today. You can actually log into Prodigy instead, okay? I also put a timer and your relaxing music. Email address, again, it's your Mapleton username. Here is your attendance question. It says, do you want to show off your talent? Join the virtual talent show. Here is the link to learn more. So if you want to show off some sort of talent, you click this link and you learn more about our virtual talent show. It does say that the deadline is this Friday, which is today, but this will be extended, so don't worry about it. This deadline is extended, so just think about what you want to do, and if you want to do something, you have to create a video and then send it to where it tells you to do it, okay? Here you can click yes, no, maybe, but remember you do have a deadline, just keep that in mind. Then you have some problems here to answer, which are single digits times multiples of 10. Remember, our trick is to do this number times this number plus a 0. Put in your answer. This is a challenge question. It is worth 0 points because it is a challenge. Remember that we can try a challenge, but we don't have to do the challenge question. Here I put the video again of how do I see my missing work. If you have watched this video already, you don't have to watch it again, but if you don't remember how to check your missing work on Google Classroom, then here's a video for you to remember of how to check it, okay? And then your last thing says, now go on to your Google assignments, now go catch up on all of your Google assignments if you haven't done that already, and make sure you have completed 4 CERN lessons this week. If you need me to check the number of CERN lessons, come to my office hours from 2 to 3. The other thing I'm going to add here is you can log on to Prodigy today and play some Prodigy if you are all caught up with your work, okay? But if you're not caught up, then you need to do your work first before you go on to Prodigy. And then that's it, and then you'll click submit, and you are done with math once you're all caught up. Okay, if you have any questions, remember to come check in with me today at 2. Have a good weekend, guys.